South Shillong MLA Sanbor Shullai inaugurated a series of crucial projects under the General State Scheme 2022-23 on the 27th of January 2024. Shullai's strategic initiatives endorsed by the PWD Department and the state government aim to enhance connectivity and overall living standards in the region. Key projects include the development of a link road from Rilbong Community Hall to Umshyrpi Bridge with a budget of Rs 4 crore 35 lakhs 56,000 and the construction of a feeder road connecting PWD Road to Deb Das Chakraborty's residence at Upper Lumparing, funded at Rs 1 crore 38 lakhs 70,000. Other significant ventures involve infrastructure development at Lumparing, an extension of the existing PWD road and an adequate drainage system. The cumulative budget for those transformative endeavors amounts to about Rs 15 crores 21 lakhs 72,500.
With the support of the landowners, the Dorbar Shillong, and very thankful to the ground force of the Public Works Department, the PWD, who are the backbones to go to the site in collaboration with the Dorbar Shillong, Sangkanthai, Sangsamwa, to prepare the DPR, Details Product Report, Plan Estimate, and after that, they forwarded to the government. Once it reaches the table of the government, it's my duty to take up these issues to get them sanctioned, right from the planning department, the finance department, up to the table of the minister of PWD, and even to the chief minister. Writing to me is very easy for each and every one of you. Just 5 minutes or by telephone. Sanbor, I need this road, I need this train, we need this, that. But it is not easy. It has to go, it has to be prepared. PWD department, the site engineers, the SDO, they have to prepare a plan and estimate, send it to government, planning department, finance department. And sometimes, due to paucity of fund, most of the scheme has to be rejected, has to be reverted back to the concerned department due to paucity of fund. But it is a blessing of God. It's a blessing of each and every one of you that besides those schemes which are implemented, ongoing schemes are plenty all over my constituency, and with the blessing of God, we have now the newly sanctioned scheme of 10 numbers with a total amount of 15 crore 25 lakh 72,500. 10 numbers.